Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I am a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I am here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Universal Care is a unique angled brush to enable easy access for hard-to-reach areas. It is optimal for retroclined teeth, lingual braces, retainers, or implants. The angle of the neck is perfectly suited for the inside surfaces of the teeth, while the slim head ensures you can squeeze in even the narrowest areas. The bristles are in-rounded, making it gentle on your gums. The angle of the neck of the brush can be adjusted in hot water. Like the name Universal suggests, there are many different areas of your mouth where this brush can be used. This toothbrush should be used daily to disrupt the bacteria in those hard-to-reach areas. Simply move the brush in a back and forth motion. This motion is preferred around single implants, tongue side of lower molars to prevent gag reflex, the back of the last molar, tilted teeth, and around cemented retainers. There are 2 rows of bristles, so a sweeping motion is ideal for under bridges or implant dentures. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.